Good day, students. We are excited to bring you a brand new series focused on CA Intermediate Auditing and Ethics Repeated Questions. This series is specially designed to help you understand key concepts, master frequently asked questions, and approach your exams with confidence, not fear. Let's make learning easier and more effective together, because success is just preparation away. Let's dive in. RAG is a proprietorship firm engaged in the manufacturing of textile and handloom products. It sells its finished products both in the domestic as well as in the international market. The company is making total turnover of 30 crores rupees. It has also availed cash credit limit of 5 crores rupees from Canara Bank. In the year 2017-18, proprietor of the firm is worried about the financial position of the company and is under the impression that since he is out of India, therefore firm might run into losses. He approaches a CA about advantages of getting his accounts audited throughout the year so that he may not suffer due to accounting weaknesses. Advice regarding advantages of getting accounts audited. Here's an approach based on the situation. In the bustling world of textiles and handloom manufacturing, there was a firm that stood tall as a symbol of traditional craftsmanship blended with modern business acumen, RAG Textiles. This proprietorship, led by the visionary Mr. Raman Gupta, boasted a remarkable turnover of 30 crores rupees, supplying exquisite products to both domestic and international markets. It has also availed cash credit limit of 5 crores rupees from Canara Bank. But like every thriving business, RAG Textiles faced its share of challenges. The year was 2017-18. While traveling abroad to explore new markets, Raman couldn't shake off the nagging worries about his business. Questions about the financial health of his firm loomed large. Were the accounts being maintained accurately in his absence? Could unnoticed errors or even fraud jeopardize his hard work? And most importantly, would the firm's cash credit limit of 5 crores rupees with Canara Bank remain secure? Trusting his instincts, Raman reached out to a chartered accountant for guidance. He laid bare his concerns, hoping for a solution that could ensure his business remained financially sound. Raman, I understand your concerns. What your business needs is a structured approach to monitoring its finances, a regular audit. Let me explain how this can transform your business. The CA began to unravel the magic of auditing, explaining how it could act as a shield for Raman's business. Advantage 1. Safeguarding financial interests. An audit ensures that financial statements are transparent and reliable. Banks, investors, and trade partners can trust the numbers, strengthening confidence in your business. Advantage 2. Moral check on employees. With regular audits, employees are more cautious, knowing their actions are under scrutiny. This drastically reduces the chances of fraud or embezzlement. Advantage 3. Simplifying taxation and loans. Audited accounts streamline tax compliance and make it easier to secure loans. They can even help you negotiate better terms with lenders like Canara Bank. Advantage 4. Handling disputes and claims. Audited accounts act as strong evidence during trade disputes, wage negotiations, or unforeseen events like fire damage, helping you settle matters smoothly. Advantage 5. Identifying wastages and losses. Audits can uncover inefficiencies and losses, enabling you to tighten controls and reduce wastage. Advantage 6. Appraising internal controls. By evaluating internal controls, audits reveal weaknesses in processes, ensuring smoother and more effective operations. Advantage 7. Facilitating partnerships and government compliance. Should you decide to bring in a partner or apply for government licenses, audited accounts simplify these processes, saving you time and effort. Raman was convinced. He realized that audits weren't just a regulatory formality, they were a strategic tool to protect and grow his business.